From the analysis, the institute loses about 2 billion shillings in overpricing from the national medical stores. And this is despite the fairly sizable budget that we do get, or which is given. If that budget was managed effectively the way we thought it should be managed, I can say that we would be nearing 100%. And it's just a matter of us working with the Ministry of Health, we can bring them out. And that is actually our role. And that is where there is a key demand that I'm going to press onto you. This delay, this what I would want to call hijack of the Uganda Cancer Institute bill should be investigated by you people, because these are the things that are delaying us from implementing things like this. Honestly, how could a bill that has been passed by Parliament be hijacked